So basically, in this video and in other videos to come, we are going to be looking at special tags. The first tag we are going to be dealing with is called the anchor tag. It is the anchor that allows you to move from one document to another document within your website. For example, I click home and I'm redirected back to the home page of the website. I click login and I'm redirected to a form where I can log in. In order to do this, first of all, I'm going to be going to my folder, my HTML folder. This is it. So I'll go to my code editor, create a new file. I'll call it, let's say, next. Save it as next.html. Remember, always use your .html. Don't forget the extension. And I'm gonna be just the same way we created the other HTML file. Put in your HTML tags, your head tag. Inside the head tag, I create my title, the title tag. I'll name my title as the next file. Yeah, next file. And then in my body, that's the body tag. I'll just go ahead and specify header again, normal h1. This time I'll put let's name our page let's just say about us. Let's just say it's an about us page. So let me change the title to about us. About us. Yeah. And then I'm going to be using a paragraph tag here. Yeah. And I'm going to put in my paragraph. So now I'll go back to my index.html and I'll create what we call a link. How do you create a link? You use a tag called the anchor tag, which is denoted by a opening and closing. Specify the name of your link. Let's name my link about us. About us, yeah. So now I need to tell the anchor tag where to take the user to when he clicks the link. So I'll specify what we call an attribute. An attribute is used to show more detail about a tag. It's used to create more effect for a tag. And this attribute I'll be using is called href. This href attribute tells the anchor tag where to take the user to when he clicks the link. So I'll tell him to take me to this name next.html file. Next.html, I'll specify the path to it. Save it. Now, just for you to know, assuming the file called next.html was in another folder or a folder outside the folder where the index.html is, I'll have to say go out. This sign means go out of the current folder into the folder just outside it. So I save that and I open my browser, I refresh it, and you can see this is our about us link. By the time I click it, as you can see, it has taken us to our next.html. Okay, yes, I think let me check what the issue is. Okay, I've not saved it yet, so always ensure that you save. So I save and I go back to my index.html. I click our about us again, and as you can see, it has brought us to our about us page. This is the about us title that we specified, and this is the about us header, and this is the paragraph. So basically that is how an anchor link work. specify your anchor tag, opening and closing, specify the name of your link, whatever name you want there, and then using your href attribute, you specify the file that you want to take the user to, the URL, using the URL of that file. So in the next lesson, I'm going to be showing you what we call an image tag. See you in the next lesson.